Are you ready to elevate your home with smart, stylish, and functional decor? Today, we're showcasing some of the most innovative Amazon finds that will transform your living space. From intelligent lighting solutions to cozy ambience enhancers, let's dive into the world of modern home essentials. Segment 1, Philips Hue Smart 60W A19 LED Bulb. Lighting can completely change the mood of a space, and the Philips Hue Smart 60W A19 LED bulb does exactly that. Imagine having millions of colors at your fingertips, ready to set the perfect atmosphere. Whether it's a cozy movie night, an energetic workout session, or a calming bedtime routine, this smart bulb can adjust to your lifestyle. With voice control compatibility, you can simply say, "Alexa, dim the lights to 50%, and watch the magic happen." Want even more control? Connect it to the Hue bridge for automation and remote access. This isn't just a light bulb, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Segment 2, Govee Smart LED Light Bars. If you love dynamic lighting, the Govee Smart LED light bars are a game changer. These bars create stunning RGB effects with 16 million colors, syncing perfectly with your gaming, music, or TV experience. Whether you want an immersive ambience for your movie nights or vibrant backlighting for your home office, Govee's customizable presets have you covered. And the best part? Hands-free control with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say the word, and your space transforms instantly. These light bars are perfect for gamers, movie enthusiasts, and anyone who loves an aesthetically pleasing setup. Segment 3, Digital Projection Alarm Clock. Mornings just got smarter with the digital projection alarm clock. Featuring a 180-degree rotatable projector, you'll never have to roll over to check the time again. Just glance at your ceiling or wall, and there it is, bright and clear. This clock also comes with a USB charging port, dual alarms, and adjustable brightness settings, making it ideal for heavy sleepers, kids, and even seniors. With a sleek design and easy-to-use controls, it's a must-have bedside companion. Segment 4, Vision Home Natural Full Blackout Curtains. Want to block out unwanted sunlight and enjoy complete privacy? The Vision Home Natural Full Blackout Curtains are your answer. Crafted from premium linen blended fabric, these curtains provide 100% blackout coverage, making them perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, and media rooms. Not only do they block light, but they also insulate against heat and noise. Whether you work night shifts or simply enjoy uninterrupted sleep, these curtains help create a peaceful environment. Plus, with their elegant pinch pleat design, they add a touch of sophistication to any room. Segment 5, Pandapark Wooden Bookends. Declutter your shelves in style with the Pandapark Wooden Bookends. These high-quality, non-skid bookends keep your books, CDs, and magazines neatly organized without tipping over. The minimalist design blends seamlessly into any home decor, whether modern, rustic, or classic. If you're a book lover, these bookends are a simple yet elegant way to showcase your collection while maintaining a tidy space. Segment 6, Dimmable Glass Candle Warmer Lamp. Enhance your home's ambience with the dimmable glass candle warmer lamp. Instead of burning candles, this warmer gently melts wax, releasing a long-lasting fragrance without any smoke or soot. With adjustable brightness and a built-in timer, you can customize your lighting and scent experience effortlessly. Whether you're winding down after a long day or setting the mood for a cozy night in, this lamp adds a warm and inviting glow to any room. Closing scene. And there you have it, 6 incredible home decor finds that bring style, convenience, and comfort to your space. All of these products are available on Amazon, making home transformation easier than ever. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating.